Today, we're diving into the ultimate internet sensation, baked feta pasta. But what happens when an AI adds its secret twists? Let's find out. First, we need a dish that can handle the heat. Toss in cherry tomatoes, a drizzle of olive oil, and a block of feta. This cheese is about to become the star of the show. Here's where AI gets creative. Add garlic for flavor depth, and paprika for a smoky kick. Feeling adventurous? Chili flakes for spice, or lemon zest for brightness. AI-approved options, of course. Pop it into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, let's talk numbers. AI says there's a 93% chance your kitchen will smell amazing by the time this is done. Boil your favorite pasta. AI recommends penne for maximum sauce coverage, but hey, spaghetti works too. And voila! Your feta and tomatoes are perfectly roasted. Mash them together into a luscious sauce that dreams are made of. Mix your pasta into the sauce, letting it soak up all that creamy, cheesy goodness. Optional AI upgrades: toss in some fresh spinach or sun-dried tomatoes for extra flair. And there it is, the AI chef's twist on baked feta pasta. Creamy, tangy, and just the right amount of indulgent. Science says it's 99% likely to disappear from your plate in seconds. Love this AI-approved recipe? Like, comment, and subscribe for more food experiments. Got an idea for AI to test? Drop it in the comments.